Wow. Holy moly. Anita. 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 Come here. Come here. Come here. We got a major storm. Come on into the middle of the house.
Yes, I will wait.
Stay right here.
Yes,
Stay
I
right here.
just did. Sure.
A lot of debris. I'm gonna check the front yard. That might have been, that is definitely the worst we've ever seen here. Looks like it slowed down a little bit. A lot of debris. Trees down and the smaller trees down in the backyard. You can see how my porch is. Looks like it stopped craziness. See what's going on over here. Chairs and trees. Looks like lots of pieces of something over there. I don't know what it is. Trees down, Lou's yard. Mess. I'm gonna check the front yard now. I think we had a little hurricane, a little tornado here. It was like crazy. See what we got going on out here, coming out front. Basketball court down, trees down. Serious storm that came through. Lightning going back in. Crazy. Wow. Definitely the worst wind we've ever had here. Crazy.